Hey guys, welcome back to another video in RubyZ. And today we are playing Catbird. Here's a game. It's free. You can get it on the Play Store or App Store. Play Store, actually. It's a really fun game. I've already played it, but I'll let you guys see. And roll the clip. The first clip when you press start. And go to, when you press start. This is the first clip. Little cat sleeping. A little cat world. Mesosphere, thermosphere. It really just like showed some science. You can literally use that like you can literally like your teacher's like, oh, what is this? Just watch this video or download the game and see. Boom. Mesosphere, stratosphere. I forgot the other one. I think called Strathosphere. What is that? Alright, let's get crowned. There you go. Really fun as well. And it's like a pixel game. We can hold the jump button to glide. I'm really zooming through these, aren't I? The white things kill you. Alright. Let me use boom. I want that crown. Give me that crown. The spikes also kill you, as you can see. So let's go through this black hole and keep going. And also there's ads. Oh god. Alright, there we go. Boom. It's free with ads. I don't know why that is thing. You know what I can do? Turn off the Wi-Fi. Take that, boy. There we go. And there we go. Alright, so let's go over here. Almost forgot how to pass this level. Go here. And go. It's so hard. I don't know why it's so hard, but it is. Unfortunately, it's really, really hard. There's no easy way to doing it. So we're gonna have to do like this. But, so it can also be a little bit more shorter. Whew, let's do this. I'm ready. No, no! As you can see, there is a total of 69 deaths throughout the whole thing I did. Some of them I didn't even die in. So, let's see what we can do. Alright. We're gonna need to get the key. Boom, there we go. And let's keep going through this. 3, 2, 1, there. Okay. Let me back on the box. No. This sucks. This is so hard. I think this is the 3rd or 4th level, and it's really hard. Right. This reminds me of the old Mario. Yeah. Tornado. Let me back. No. This absolutely sucks. No. Darn it. This absolutely sucks. There we go. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I didn't know what to do. Plus I've been working on an animation I can show you guys. It's for like a few seconds long, but I worked on it, like the animation so hard. Actually I didn't get to use my phone during school because it's so called distracting. Let's let the ads run. I don't care. I don't care if they think I'm sponsoring them, even though I'm not. Don't play any of the games that are on the ads, because I am not sponsoring them. No! You know what? I'm so tired of this. Ugh, you know what? Alright guys, I am back at it, and I passed the other level, so I get to do this one. Whee! What the did that do? I forgot what did that do, so I see. Another button. Press it. Run it. Let's go back here. Oh, safe place. Take that. Go, run. Jump. Keep going. There you go. Oh my goodness. That scared me. That legit scarred me. Alright, go. Yeah. Okay, that got rid of that. Now, I want to see something. See what I can do somewhere. See what, So, I don't even know how you get that. I don't even think you can get that. So, yeah. Let me go back here, then here, then here. Boom! Into the black hole. We didn't even die once. I don't think so. At least I don't think we died once. Yeah, we might die here. Everyone can't be perfect. Yeah. I'm kidding. Life lesson there. Everyone can't be perfect. Yep. See? Told ya. No, that was. I jumped. What was that? That was bad gameplay. No. Ugh. Really? Go. Okay, there. Go. No, go. Go. Okay, here we go. Time it right. Get this. I want to get this crown. That way I feel accomplished. Okay, there. Also, the good things, like if you're falling, you can glide. So you have a little chance to survive. If you have to. Alright, I made it. Ooh. Oh my goodness, I remember doing this and it was so hard. I couldn't even pass it. Wait, let's go up here. Oh, that was ill. That was just ill. No, I didn't like that. I didn't like that. So weird. It was like, it looked so weird and it felt so weird. I don't know how it felt so weird, but it did. No! You've got to be kidding me. Oh god, no. Oh god, no. Yes! No! What was that? Oh, come on. Really? Okay, one more. Okay. Serious gameplay face. Serious gameplay. Serious gameplay. Go. Oh, I think it's because this game is called Catbird. Why is there so much birds? I'm like a cat and a bird. Well, you guys can obviously see that from the title, but. Wait, why am I going up here? Oh my goodness, that could have been bad. Go! Let's go! See? You can like glide. That's so good about this game. Yeah, there. Boom. Boom. Let's go. That was easy. I didn't even die once. I'm not gonna die here. Alright, so I can go ahead and get that crown if I want, but I am not going to risk this whole entire level for one single crown. to feel accomplished. Oh yeah, this is a checkpoint. Here we go. See, it's like Mario, cause you know checkpoints. The Mario, well, I don't think the Mario checkpoints look like that. I don't know how the Mario checkpoints look like. Okay. Actually, you know, I can actually. Ooh, oh my goodness! I literally risked the whole entire level for that one single crown that I got before. That was dumb. Go, go, go! What? No, what? I almost died. You saw that? Oh my goodness. That was too easy. There we go. Boom, boom. My goodness. I almost died. I haven't died once. So let's see how good we can keep our streak going. I'm gonna try to speed run through it. There. Ooh, ooh, oh my good. Oh my goodness, those skills though. Oh no, you saw those skills? Oh, I wish I could get a replay of that. Alright, let's go. Whee! Oh my goodness, I didn't even see that. I even played this before I recorded it. And I forgot that was there. No. Okay. You know what, I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys enjoyed Catbird, you can download it for free on the Play Store. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. I'll see you guys sooner or later. But yeah, see you guys and stay safe outside. See ya. Don't forget to subscribe and like as well. And hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload a video. For the last time. I swear, for the last time. See ya.